Nĩgwĩkatia
Nĩkwenjera
ndio na ũtiĩkega kiuma kĩ
hega.
There's a bunch of proverbs that would describe the same thing. Waichake hei iyo ndĩraigua.
Iyo nĩ ora.
From the core. You see, growing up, especially in the 80s and the 90s, uhoro wegie go stand out was not an easy affair. Because we all looked the same.
And the common denominator was
yes.
Wagi.
Why? And ure mwira kwa tiriri oko muti na gikiri mu make use of something else. Yes. Neto ina kaundu kau gakuhanana. So if you wanted to look good, one day you know you would not sustain it.
So now even looking good,
yes,
maybe an occasional thing.
Either your sister uria wonete miaramano na Nairobi okite holiday atusise toke tunini ri othe makoya njege kigo mahuhiririo ki marasi you would not sustain that scent.
no rinyita mirunga nake
yes
matuma ine mitare-ini
whatever those are mirunga nake.
Mauti makora gwitũ metagwo mirunga nake.
Okay, what are those?
Yeah, just weed. No rio ũguo rĩa gwĩkũria na mĩbangi.
The pungent.
Waja mũbangi was a very strong scent.
Na mũbangi I know, it's a black jack. Yes. Rĩu to perfume yo nĩ your sister ya mũkũrũ na acoka Nairobi ri. Watinda ũkĩnungira. Tondũ you have never felt anything like that. Rĩu mũnungo ũcio wa neutralize wo nĩ mabariti rũcinĩ.
Kana ũthiĩ watua magatho ma mĩthandũkũ.
Yes. It was in very rare occasion. Yes. Ikiona wale sister, especially the ladies. Si story ule ameomoka. Oka ni tiri tutu ni na mamu ratiriri. Kongi twikire.
Kongi.
And boom, that would be the inspiration.
That you see. Keo kongi. Kwanyu hatiri kindu gikoroge.
Otire so.
Do kuigua kong.
No, if it is the rainy season, you even sing. But the whole thing that unwekira kiratu gia kuelevate, it would inspire.
Kina hilo.
It would inspire the diva in you.
Kongi.
Gai odiate na sia gai Joyce. And then if you are a good sister, your sister niyo kana kafeti. Karia arahurukirie. Agakuhothera. That girl would think they are Cleopatra.
Kurio giathire na kono kanitha.
Yes. And actually uti kindu giakiria hau thini of valley ni wikire mutahatu kana ngwaci
ciringi ya kuhotha.
Yes. Never mind, you would feel good about it. Now for the boy shout, it was a bit technical. Boy shout go stand out, although it involved money.
Boy shout didn't go igirira.
You get a hand, Sonny, Moranga. Yes. Natagara. Yes. Na musifi we na back. What your hair back way hoyari na tell you are. No, that one was rare. They are the ala coste. It is an adiuadi roca. ya cowboy
ukamenya this is it
leu aria maruragia piuri bakora aitha ni ari makuso Nairobi yes oka uko Nairobi hehe kiundu we endithagia nao aitha physically kwa higwo cukuru makamwetia tondu he handles the physical chores yes makamwetia na ndirangori no kene jwe ni marahinga
ni mahingite thukuru
yes leu oka Nairobi ni wahitanaga na ciringi ugetha kindu gitagwo chemical relaxer yes relaxer ni ya activate calls yes
njuiri
unajua hii nywele yetu hii ngumu
nywele ngumu
yes nywele yetu niko nataka super bright fry leu athiaga leu anyita na mayoyo na Nairobi na makiria boys to men yes na Backstreet Boys na Coolio and the 40 Thieves kahakuo okero yaji akushinari weke atia inachoma aidha bio yadha bioli the result would make your hair look like a newborn calf totugotie hadu hagi wana najurite otiwa gacauke
gacauka muciarano
weso gukakwo kindu gitagwo curl activator gel riu ukahana riu bad boy oya cia riu wene riu Johnny Michael
nginya kona twatuika musanii
yes ukona riu we nameless were no atuika Johnny Michael
na ni hothairwo mu t-shirt uria wahanaga neti
ni wandikitwo 71
na 05
ni wa NBA Lakers yes kana Chicago
Bulls
yes Chicago Bulls ni enda yegu yarogo
muno
yes ugacoka riu ukahakuka hair grow kau yeto hair grow ina gicagi hair grow ciana ni ciariaga
hair grow ni yahinyagwo ni ciana you know it was sugary
they would think it is juice
ciana cemanagia na indo nyingi cia cukari githemba kiu
yes and we had the serious machinery to digest leaving no harm waikara Nairobi wetereire gacoka gicagiri ukarurie yes
no cuke ngari haria mungetho
wega biu hindi o henetie
ndore makunyararaga makuone
mamenye ni wekirie kare kiti you know back then there were no these suspicions of forex
and hura one
ndio hiyo there was only one SIM card. So people didn't have the imagination of nowadays they would think that
mothe no maguta gukwo wega
wathiaro ngona tagara yaku kamoka utaga kofia gai kare karangeta njuiri gai mani kana macho mani
ndio ina limboko itacemanitie na ndoro
takira mani kana tupaki sakuru ndio uretie yes na hii alingi cia kunyitithia tondu ngitura mau matu ni wahurukio
ogerorie kofia rwere
yes you would be the bull of Auckland. The babes would come running after you.
Amanya, you have seen beyond the village.
Ndio ni ugurete kiria perfume ya you itanajia kuthirwo riu kiundu kiria giacokire kimirana out of market tanajia kuthirwo last respect yes wina yorada yes kana cobra yes what are you saying
Wewe niwe kusema.
Mwana Samido. Already ingira stage. Yes.
Toke kwaje riu ginya uke riu na mikwa ya nyimbo cia githungu.
Yes. Uke na mukwa wa Kindumbe. Yes. Urigithie hau. Please ona. Yes.
Akamenya the man has landed.
Yes. Never mind on them wa hoya go heo. Mikwa you don't understand what they are singing.
No ginya wedie guoya.
Yes.
Mamenyo na riu moja.
Kana hemu kwa Tevin Campbell. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I will tell you.
No, looking good was not easy.
It was not, and you would not put up that feet for long.
Asha.
No, it was sustenance was another thing.
Actually, you had to make sure.
Yes.
I go do kwendia guoya.
Yes.
You had to mark the best day.
Yes.
Nigetha message you muthenya wa mbere ithie the farthest possible.
Uhoro cio ri ikundi kiu ni muracio mutatira.
Make an impression.
Yes. Lasting. Trend.
Tondu ndwithiururukia kiundu kiu wikiri.
Hashtag ye ori ithie taka. You see what would happen? Where get that chemical relaxer? Because I remember being inspired by Jeff Koinange. Kwe hakai oi. Waga maguta mako me service ri. Njuiri yatuika brown.
Ogathi Kenya uthiko amuga.
Gakora po ogir choice ri uthio ekiatia.
Wejo.
Unyoreo.
Ira kenda na 44.